Good morning, Post and Peeps. Happy Thursday. It is day 29 of your choice board activities, and tomorrow is the first day of May. So today is April 30th. Let's go ahead and get started with your choices for today. All right. Your choice number 1 says you went outside and found an unusual spider. Was it silly or scary looking? What does it eat? How does it spend its time? How big is it? Draw a picture or create your spider with craft supplies. Write at least 6 sentences about your spider. Okay? And then they give you some sample sentence starters. I went ahead and did an example for you. I said, one day as I was walking, I stumbled upon a spider. He had a hat and a big smile. He was doing a dance. He said his name was Sam and he was looking for some popsicles to eat. I gave him a popsicle and he climbed up the tree, dancing and eating. I check on Sam every day, take him a popsicle to eat when it's warm and sunny out. Okay, so mine, of course, is a fiction story. It's a silly story, but you can make a nonfiction story about a scary spider that you saw, like a real facts or whatever. Whatever you want to do on this choice, you can get creative. Okay, choice number 2. Read an informational text, retell the central idea and details. Remember, the central idea is what the story is mostly about, what the whole story is mostly about. Okay, so you're going to tell me the central idea, what details support that, write a summary of at least 5 sentences, and they give you some sample sentence starters as well. I used the book from Epic, How Does Weather Change? And then I wrote a summary. I read the book, How Does Weather Change? The central idea was that weather changes all of the time. One fact I learned is wind can change the weather. The author wanted me to know that there are lots of different kinds of weather and things that cause it to change. Okay, so I just gave you an idea of what you could do there. Okay, and you have to read a nonfiction book on this, boys and girls. Nonfiction books have a central idea. Okay, choice number 3. A simile is used to compare two things, like using like or as. Create 3 similes, write a sentence with them, and draw a picture to go with them. They give you some examples, but boys and girls, I clipped this from a YouTube video. If you type in the YouTube search engine, similes for kids, there's a great video that looks like this that will go along with that, because we've never really talked about similes. So this is something new, but it's pretty easy. It's just comparing 2 objects. And I put 3, it says 1, 1, 1 instead of 1, 2, 3. But I put 3 examples straight from the video. So you could watch the video and use examples from that. His sister is as gentle as a lamb. It's comparing the sister and the lamb. And then I drew a picture. The baby sleeps like a koala. Baby. Learning is as easy as pie. So it's comparing 2 different things using like or as, and you'll learn about that in your video if you choose this choice. Okay? Choice number 4. Look at one of your favorite pictures in a story. The author wants you to write 3 sentences that can be included in the text that go with the picture. Write a sentence with a period, one with an exclamation mark, and one with a question mark. They've given you some examples here, but I also did an example. I took this straight from Splat the Cat, which is a book you can find on Epic. And I wrote 3 different sentences, one with an exclamation point, a period, and a question mark. Watch out for that mouse. Splat opened his lunchbox. Will Splat eat the mouse? Okay, so make sure you include 3 different sentences to go with your picture that you choose. Okay, and you draw a picture of your page that you chose. And then lastly, as always, are your digital choice options. Okay, you can use the link to read these 2 books, Sylvester and the Magic Pebble, and then do the puzzlers and write 2 facts that you learned from the book or video. Or go to Lexia. Don't forget, you must read for at least 15 minutes and add that to your reading log. I hope you have a wonderful day doing your reading and writing, boys and girls.